There are many great souls who are presenting among us and doing selfless things for us, but do not get enough recognition for their efforts and work. They serve the mankind with their kindness, efforts, and work to make this world a better place. They are so much into doing good that they don't even care if their work is being recognized or not. So here we are to give them our thanks and pay some requests and make them feel good and recognized for what they do for mankind. People often think of doing good deeds in terms of charities, donations and help when they are well stable and can spend without having a second thought. But some people are beyond that. Devrapalli Prakash Rao is one of those great human beings who has been doing great deeds to serve mankind. Devrapalli, 59-year-old man, is a tea seller from Odisha who has been selling tea from past 50 years. Devrapalli is regular at Kotak's Bakshi Bazar. He runs a tea stall from morning 4 to 10. Then he runs a school for poor children. He has been doing this from a long time now, from the money he makes from his tea stall. The fact that he is frugal himself never came his way in doing well for those poor kids' education. He has great dedication for teaching and inculcating education, and that could be seen from his past journey. He was always interested in reading and writing. He had been so bright in study, but he was forced to quit his studies even before his 10th standard, as his father wanted him to land his helping hand in the tea business. It was the time when his father got seriously ill and Devrapalli needed to handle tea stall and bills solely. Then a few less time, handling tea stall became his first priority. Meanwhile, all his dreams and desires got vanished in the dark. The fire inside him kept burning though, as soon as he got a chance to shine back. He used to observe the small slum kids and used to think that how this poverty and lack in education is not letting them grow anywhere.
I'm morning a chai wala. As day starts, I become a teacher. And again in the afternoon from 1 p.m. I become a doctor. As the patients think so me. So I'm so fortunate. Every day, early morning I start from my tea shop. But my father entrusted me 56 years back.
In 2000, he finally decided to act on his dream. He always wanted to read and write as more as possible. So, he modified his dream a bit and started a school where he started teaching the poor kids. The school was named Asha O Ashvasana and was up to class 3rd. The kids who used to pass class 3 were sent to the government school by Devrapalli. Initially, parents were not aware and ready to send their kids to school. Then he started to reach them and convince them to send their kids to school so that they can have a better future than many of them. And that is where his never-ending efforts to make these kids something started. He stopped nowhere and serving them from almost 2 decades now. Rao has been helping almost 80 slum kids from 2000 to now. He has been spending more than 50% of his daily wage on their education and food.
So when I started, there were only 4 to 6 or 8 or 10 children, but now 75 to 80 children they are getting midday meal and they are coming very happily to school and they are becoming regular. So this is the way. And the school is completely no punishment school.
He was doing his normal deeds when he got his first spotlight when Prime Minister of India Mr. Narendra Modi addressed him on his radio show's 44th edition for the first time. He told Devrapalli's motivating story to everyone. Mr. Modi praised him and his work a lot and also addressed him as guardian angel. He also tweeted meeting Rao and loving how he is doing good for those needy kids selflessly. It was his great passion for teaching and inculcating. Education is why he got honored. He got his second moment of appreciation when he was awarded with India's fourth highest civilian award, Padma Shri. After knowing how he helped kids, a lot of people has came forward to help him bearing those kids' education expense. He runs a health center as well near SCB Government Hospital for past 40 years. He has Neem donating blood and platelets there. This man has never-ending good in him and we salute such people and their efforts.